Welcome to the Backyard Urban Farm Company, also known as the BUFCO Lab. These are beautiful and healthy zucchini plants. Or are they? These disgusting little fellows are squash vine borer larvae. And this is their mama, a common clear-wing moth. She's a beauty and busy at work looking for a place to lay her eggs. Her plants of choice are cucumber, pumpkin, squash, or zucchini. She lays her eggs at the base of the plant. About a week later, the eggs hatch and bore into the stems and develop from there. We tried outsmarting them by wrapping the stems of our zucchini plants in tin foil to prevent the larvae from getting in. But it looks like they outsmarted us.
That is where they've burrowed in. You can just pick it right off. They burrowed in. That's the inside of the stem. You can see it's sort of mushy in there. And we open that up, we're going to find the little larva.
So we're going to try and do a little surgery on the stems and remove the larva from the plant. Hopefully without killing the plant.
See? Oh, there's his bum. I don't know if you can see.
Right down in there, that white thing.
Did it work?
I'll go over to this zucchini bed to see how our surgery worked out. So Kristen and Deb operated on these stems to try to remove squash vine borer larvae. You can see here that there is a wound, but there's still a fruit and there's still leaves, so the plant seems to still be hanging on despite the surgery. And then there's another one over here that is doing the same. Quite a wound, look at that. And yet new flowers and a happy little fruit. So would we be able to say, Deb, that this surgery is a success?
For now, yes.
For now, yes. One of my favorite answers.